Good morning, while it works, fam. The first step to saving starts right here in the kitchen. A simple switch from the daily cafe latte to home-brewed coffee can save you around $1,200 a year. That's right, $1,200. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Now, on to commuting. Swapping the car for public transport can save around $200 a month. That's the cost of downtown parking. It's not just about the money. It's about making smart choices that positively impact our wallets and the world around us. So with just a cup of coffee and a bus ticket, we've already saved a good chunk of change. Let's keep it rolling. Lunchtime! And instead of hitting up the local deli, we're going homemade. Tucked away in this colorful lunchbox are tasty leftovers and a crisp salad whipped up in no time flat. Now, if we were to compare this to the price of a takeout meal, we're looking at a saving of about $15. But it's not just about the money. This homemade delight is healthier too, free from any hidden nasties that often lurk in takeout meals. Plus, there's the added benefit of portion control. You decide what and how much goes into your lunchbox. So, what's the verdict? Well, it's a win-win. We've saved money and opted for a healthier route. And let's not forget, there's something satisfying about creating your own meals. So, with lunch, we've not only saved money but also took a healthier route. Good for the wallet and the waistline. Work's done, but the budgeting isn't. Let's talk fun on a budget. After a busy day, who doesn't crave some downtime? But entertainment can be a budget vampire, sucking away your hard-earned cash faster than you can say gym membership. So what's the alternative? Free activities, my friends. Today we're swapping the pricey gym for a rejuvenating yoga session in the park. Not only does it save us a cool $50 a month, but it also offers a bonus dose of sunshine and fresh air. And let's not forget, it's a chance to meet new people and become part of a community. Now that's what I call a win-win. And remember, there's a world of free fun out there, from hiking trails to local art exhibitions. Who says sticking to a budget can't be fun? And all while saving some extra cash? Dinner time. But instead of hitting the town, we're hitting the kitchen. Not only does this save us around $30 compared to dining out, it also provides an excellent opportunity to experiment with new recipes and bond with loved ones. And let's not forget, the joy of cooking at home is not just about the savings. It's about the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands, the freedom to choose your ingredients, and the joy of sharing a meal made with love. Plus, it's a great way to keep track of your dietary needs and preferences. Now, for entertainment. Who needs a cinema when you have a comfy couch and a streaming subscription? By swapping a night out at the movies for a night in with a good flick, we're saving another $20. Dinner and a movie, all from the comfort of home and without breaking the bank. Now, that's a win. As the day winds down, it's time for one last budgeting task: tracking our spending. You see, keeping an eye on our expenditures is a bit like having a financial compass. It points us in the right direction and keeps us on track. So let's dive in and log today's expenses. Now, it's not about scrutinizing every penny or feeling guilty about that mid-afternoon snack. No, it's about understanding where our money goes and making conscious choices. It's about asking ourselves, does this purchase bring me joy? Does it contribute to my goals? Is it worth it? These are the questions that guide our spending habits. And if we find ourselves straying from our budget, that's okay. It's not about perfection, but about adjustment and learning. It's a journey, not a destination. And that wraps up a day of budgeting. It's not about pinching pennies. It's about making choices that align with your financial goals. Remember, every little saving adds up,